How should I budget, or how much money should I expect to spend, Dan, on HOA fees in the Mauna Lani Resort? That coming up next. Hi everyone, Dan Polimino here from the Hawaii team at KW Big Island, and today in Ask the Hawaii Team, the question comes of how much should you budget or think about for HOA costs if you're buying in the Mauna Lani Resort, and what does that cover? Great question. The fees are going to vary widely. HOA fees are all over the board. But for the most part, your entry-level products, say the Fairway Villas in Mauna Lani Resort, probably going to be around $1,200 or $1,300 a month in HOA fees. And this can go all the way up to about $4,000 or $5,000 a month in HOA fees. I know somebody in Laulea that was paying $3,500 a month in HOA fees. So what does it cover? Well, all of the things that you pretty much would expect. If your complex has a gate, and most of them do, if not all of them, it's going to cover the gate, the maintenance of the gate, and the insurance for the gate. In addition, you're going to have common ground maintenance. You are going to have pool maintenance. All of these complexes have pools. All of them have fitness centers. That all goes towards the fitness centers. But the bulk of that HOA fee is going to be for insurance. So the HOA is required to carry insurance on all of the buildings. Remember, when you're buying in a complex versus a house, the HOA is responsible generally for the entire outside, and you are only insuring from walls in. So essentially a renter's policy. Place burns down, it's the HOA's responsibility to rebuild that building. Place needs a new roof, it's the HOA's responsibility to put on that new roof. So that's really the bulk of the cost in those HOA fees. Hope that answers your question. It not only applies to Mauna Lani, but it applies to all of your favorite resorts along the Kona Coast. If you have any other questions, we're happy to answer. You can call me on my cell phone, 808-987-3306, or dan@thehawaiiteam.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and until we do again, aloha.